Hello everyone, welcome to Brutally True Tarot, and this is a pick a card reading. And the topic for this pick a card is whether he or she will come back in your life. This reading is regarding your ex. So we have three options here. One is this oyster shell, another is also an oyster and a different kind of seashell, and here we have some small shells. So whichever you are attracted to, just focus and try to concentrate. Whichever you are attracted to, please select one of the decks. So let's start. For those who have chosen the first deck, let's see what are the feelings of your ex for you, whether they will come back or not. Page of Pentacles, Nine of Cups, the Hermit, the Sun, Three of Swords, Knight of Pentacles. Okay, so here we have really a different kind of a spread where I see Three of Swords and Nine of Cups together. So here I see with the card of the Hermit that you are a kind of emotionally disturbed. You are feeling left alone. You are feeling a kind of depressed. This separation has made you emotionally vulnerable. I think those who have chosen the first pile have a very lovely personality, and you are habitual of staying with a lot of people around you, and this particular person was really important to you, and all of a sudden he or she left, probably without any explanation. So here you are looking for the answers with this lamp. Here you are alone. You are looking at each and every aspect of your relationship. You are trying to figure out what went wrong and what was your mistake, what was their mistake. There is a lot going on in your mind. With this Three of Swords here, I think that you are feeling like that this relationship has broken forever, and it will not regain its life again. This kind of feeling you have, that this relationship is already dead. But here we have this Knight of Pentacles. So I see this person wanting to offer you something. I feel that this person feels the same. The card of the Hermit here, you see this person also feels the same for you, and they are equally attracted towards you. They are feeling equally drained, they are feeling equally tired, and they are feeling equally sad. I don't see that this is a one-sided feeling or something like that. With this Knight of Pentacles, they want to offer you everything that they didn't in the past. Okay? And with this Nine of Cups, I see that your wish is going to fulfill. Your all dreams and wishes will come to reality. This person might approach you out of nowhere, and you'll be surprised, as if some wish came true suddenly. Okay? I see here the card of the Sun. You might feel overwhelming happiness when this person comes back in your life. And with this card of the Sun, I see complete satisfaction, complete life, if you are actually looking for this person. Okay, if you are manifesting it, because here we have Page of Pentacles. So with this Page of Pentacles, universe is offering you what you are asking for. Okay, so whatever you are manifesting and whatever you are asking for is reflecting back at you. These energies are coming back to you. So if you're really looking for your ex-partner, this might happen. This person might arrive to you, might come to you, sorry. This person might come to you and you'll be feeling blessed. So this was the reading for the first deck. I hope you enjoyed it. Let's move on to the second deck and see what are the messages for you. So moving on to the second deck, for those who have chosen the oyster shell, let's check what your ex thinks and whether they want to come back or not, or whether they will approach you or not. Knight of Wands in reverse. Four of Swords. The Empress. King of Wands. The Chariot. Two of Swords. So here, with this Four of Swords, I can clearly see that you have left the hope. You have just given up on the relationship that you had with this person, and they have also lost the hope, because here I see the card of the Empress. I see that your partner thinks that you are unpredictable. They are absolutely clueless about how would you behave if they offer themselves again to you. Possibly they are just too scared of your mood swings, or simply they have done something which was not acceptable at that point of time, and they just left without giving any explanation, because they didn't have any courage to face you with all that they have done. And here with the card of the Empress, they know that you know it all. They don't know how to face you. But with the card of the Chariot, they have this desire, they have this eagerness to approach you. They can't stay away from you. If they were free from their fear of being rejected, they would have approached you like they would have just bumped into you intentionally or unintentionally. They would have managed to grab your attention, but they are not sure in what way they should behave. Probably they are thinking that they are going too fast and this is not the right time to approach you. Something like that. With this Two of Swords, this person has two sides. One dark side, one bright one. Actually, we all have these two sides. So here this person is struggling to find a balance within him or her. This person is trying to pursue the other part, that they should follow one path together, whether it's mind or their heart, but their mind and their heart both are in complete disagreement. So with this card of Knight of Wands in reverse, they are backing off. They are probably waiting for any signal from your side so that they can move ahead and describe their feelings to you. Something like that I see here. And with all these things, I see you being feeling left alone because you don't know what is going on in their mind. But I think that sooner or later they will approach you. Once they made up their mind, because they're actually interested in you, and I think they just want to slow down the moves they are making, but slowly and steadily they will find a way to make this relationship work again. Okay, so here we do have some kind of misunderstandings on the card. You are not understanding them, they are not understanding you, but in the end you both want to be together. You both love and respect each other. So I see that they will try to approach you once again. So this was the reading for the second deck. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. Let's move on to the next deck and see what are the messages for them. Moving on to the third deck, for those who have chosen these small shells. Let's see whether your ex wants to come back or whether they will come back or not. The World. Temperance. Six of Wands in reverse. Six of Cups. Excuse me. Knight of Wands. King of Pentacles. Okay. So here with this Temperance, I see that changes are coming in your life. So if there were differences between you and your ex, these are simply going away. If you talk and negotiate with each other, or if you're in a married relationship or something like that, it's better to talk than to stay quiet. It's better to figure out the problems that you have rather than just ignoring them. And here we have the card of the World. So I see some changes. I see some sort of physical movement. Possibly this person has gone away from you, and this was a reason of your insecurity or their insecurity, and this led to some kind of misunderstanding which just separated both of you. But here with the card of the World, they want to come back, they want to be with you, even if it takes a lot of changes that they have to make in their life. They are ready for that. They are ready to talk to you, they are ready to listen to you, and you too will have to do the same. Otherwise, things will not work for you. So it's better to talk to each other at this point of time. With the Six of Cups, I see both of you cherishing the old memories. Possibly those who have chosen the third deck are childhood friends or has been their companion for long. Okay, so they have been remembering you, they have been thinking about you for long, they have been thinking about all those moments that you spent together, they have been missing all the care and support that you showed, and possibly you people were in a relationship for the long time. Some of them it might be from the childhood, from the very beginning, so it is not easy to move away from this relationship. And here it's better to talk. With the Six of Wands in reverse, I see that something is blocking you from making a move, or blocking them from making a move. Possibly they are thinking that it will show them a little weak if they come to you and put an offer of talk or something like that to you, because I see this person having a big ego with this Knight of Wands. This person has a great sense of self-respect. I think this person has this great sense of what I can say. This person is a quite self-centered person, although this person is quite established. With this King of Pentacles, they are strong, they are supporting, they are ready to do anything, and they are equally efficient at that. But with this Knight of Wands, they are just being arrogant here, or just don't want to take the risk of being rejected. So they are still thinking that should they approach or not. But if you both decide to talk, things will definitely work in your favor. Okay, so here I see a mutual effort. It is not like that all of a sudden they will come back for you from somewhere, but certainly if you show some kind of interest, they will come back running to you. Because with the Six of Cups, they cherish all the memories, all the time that they have spent with you. So this is the reading of the third deck. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. Till next video. Bye.